Good morning to everyone. So today we are discussing the problems in state transition matrix. So in the last class we are discussing the what is the properties of state transition matrix, what is meant by state transition matrix, what is the importance of state transition matrix, and what is the formula of state transition matrix, and discuss one problem in the last class. So today we are discussing the another problems in this unit. So first, obtain the state transition matrix for the given homogeneous system x of k plus 1 is equal to 0 1 minus 2 minus 3 into x of k. So the state transition matrix for the given homogeneous system, this is the homogeneous system, x of k plus 1 is equal to 0 and the 1 minus 2 minus 3 into x of k. This is in the form of x dash is equal to ax. X dash is equal to ax. So this is x dash is equal to, this is A matrix into x. So the A matrix is A is equal to 0, 1, minus 2 and the minus 3. 0, 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is the A matrix. And what is the formula in obtain the state transition matrix? So you are obtaining the state transition matrix phi of k is equal to z inverse of zi minus a whole inverse into z. Z inverse of zi minus a whole inverse into z. This is the formula of calculation of state transition matrix. So calculating the zi minus a whole inverse. So first zi minus a is equal to, so the A matrix is 2 by 2 matrix. The given A matrix is 2 by 2 matrix. Assuming the identity matrix is also 2 by 2. So I is equal to 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. So the identity matrix 1 0 and the 0 1. So Z into I is equal to Z into I matrix 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. That implies z into 0 0, z into 0 0, z into 1 z. So z 0 0 z minus, what is A matrix? 0 1 minus 2 minus 3. Okay, so z minus 0 is z, and the 0 minus 1 minus 1, 0 minus of minus 2 2, z minus of minus 3 z plus 3. So this is zi minus a, and the calculation of zi minus a whole inverse is z minus 1 2 z plus 3, and the calculation of zi minus a whole inverse is zi minus a whole inverse is equal to 1 by AD minus BC. 1 by AD minus BC. D minus B minus C and the A. Okay. So 1 by AD minus this is A and the B, C and D. AD. So Z into Z plus 3 minus of minus 1 into 2 plus 2. So D Z plus 3 minus of minus 1 is 1, minus of 2 is minus 2 and the Z. Okay. So Z plus 3, 1 minus 2 and the Z. So 1 by Z into Z, Z square plus 3Z plus 2. Okay. So and the remaining is Z inverse of, formula is Z inverse of Zi minus A whole inverse into Z. Zi minus A whole inverse into Z. So the Zi minus A, this is Zi minus A. So in the denominator, Z square plus 3Z plus 2 is in the form of Z plus 2 into Z plus 1. Z plus 2 into Z plus 1. Z square plus 3Z plus 2 in the form of Z plus 2 into Z plus 1. And the minus 1, 1 is 1 by Z plus 2, Z plus 1. So 2 by Z plus 2, Z plus 1. Z by Z plus 2, Z plus 1 into Z. Okay. So next, find these two. In the first term is assuming x1 of Z. Second term is assuming x2 of Z. Third term we are assuming x3 of Z. Fourth term is assuming x4 of Z. So x1 of Z, transfer function, x2 of Z, x3 of Z, and x4 of Z. x1, x2, x3 and x4. So first calculate the x1 of Z and the second calculate the x2 of Z and third x3 of Z, fourth x4 of Z. So calculate all the state variables. So the first term Z into Z plus 3 by Z plus 2 into Z plus 1 is taking from the x1 of Z. So x1 of Z by, in this Z is sent to the left side. So x1 of Z by Z is equal to Z plus 3 by Z plus 2 into Z plus 1. Z plus 3 by Z plus 2 into Z plus 1. So in the denominator two terms, take partial fractions. So first term A by Z plus 2, second term B by Z plus 1. A by Z plus 2 plus B by Z plus 1. And the denominator, take LCM. What is the denominator? Z plus 2 into Z plus 1 is equal to Z plus 3 by Z plus 2 into Z plus 1. So in the two terms, A Z plus 2, Z plus 2 cancel. A into Z plus 1. B into Z plus 2. The denominator, right side denominator, left side denominator, both are cancelled. So Z plus 3 is equal to A into Z plus 1 plus b into z plus 2. So take first in the a term is take 0. So z value is minus 1. So minus 1 plus 3 is 2. It's equal to a term is 0. B term is so z plus 3 minus 1 plus 3 is 2. B into 2. 2 cancel. B is equal to 1, 2. So this is z plus 2. So minus 1 plus 2, 1. So 1. So B value is 2. And the put z is equal to minus 2 in that equation 1. So A equal to minus 1. A value is minus 1. B value is 2. So apply the z inverse of x1 of z. So z by z plus 2 plus 2 into z by z minus of minus 1. So in the apply inverse z transform, so z inverse of z by z minus a is formula is a power k. A power k. So z by z minus 1 is a power k. So a power k. So a value is minus 2. So minus of minus 2 whole power k in the first term. In the second term, plus 2 into minus 1 whole power k. So x1 of k is minus of minus 2 whole power k plus 2 into minus 1 whole power k. And the same procedure, calculate x2 of z, x2 of z by z minus 1 by z plus 2 z plus 1. Same apply the partial fractions a by z plus 2 plus b by z plus 1. So take LCM a into z plus 1 plus b into z plus 2. So put z is equal to minus 1 is one time. Put z is equal to minus 2 in another time. So your substitute z is equal to minus 1. What is the b value? B is also minus 1. Put z is equal to minus 2. What is the value of a? A is 1. So a equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1. So same process, x2 of z is equal to z by z plus 2 minus z by z plus 1. So in the denominator, z plus 2 term is rewritten as z minus of minus 2. So your substitute z plus 2 is z minus of minus 2. And the z plus 1 is rewritten as z minus of minus 1. So in the inverse z transform on both the sides, what will be happened? Inverse z transform of z by z minus a. So the z by z minus a is equal to a power k. So what is a value? Minus 2. Minus 2 whole power k, and the minus of minus 1 whole power k. So minus 2 whole power k minus 1 whole power k. Same process, calculate x3 of z. So what is x3 of z? Minus 2 of minus 2 whole power k plus 2 into minus 1 whole square. Okay, next same x4 of z. x4 of z is 2 into minus 2 whole power k minus of minus 1 whole power k. So in the calculating the x1 of in the state transition matrix, phi of k is equal to x1 of k and the x2 of k and the x3 of k and the x4 of k is equal to x1 of k is already finding minus of minus 2 whole power k plus 2 into minus 1 whole power k. So second term x2 of k is minus 2 whole power k minus of minus 1 whole power k. Third x3 of z and the x4 of z. So this is the calculation of the state transition matrix. And the next problem, obtain the state transition matrix for the following discrete time system. X of k plus 1 is, so x of k plus 1 is equal to a into x of k plus b into u of k. And the y of k is c into x of k. So in the constructing the state transition matrix, so in there are two equations. First one is state equation. What is state equation? X dash is equal to ax plus bu, and the output equation y is equal to cx plus du. The very important two equations. The state equation x dash is equal to ax plus bu, and the output equation y is equal to cx plus du. So x of k plus 1 is equal to a into x of k plus b into u of k, and the output equation y of k equal to c into x of k. So where in the A matrix is given 0, 1, minus 0.16 and minus 1. And the B matrix is given 1, 1. In the C matrix is given 1, 0. Then obtain the state x of k and the output y of k when the input u of k equal to 1 for k tends to 0, 1, 2 and so on. Assume that initial state is given x of 0 is equal to x of 1, x of 2 is equal to 1 minus 1. So the initial conditions is given to the x1 of 0 is 1, x2 of 0 is minus 1. So first, what is the formula of state transition matrix? So the state transition matrix, phi of k is equal to z inverse of zi minus a whole inverse into zi minus a whole inverse into z. So you are calculating the state transition matrix, phi of k is equal to z inverse of zi minus a whole inverse into z. So this is the formula of state transition matrix. But in the given output y of k when the input u of k equal to 1, so in the given initial conditions, so in given x1 of 0 and the x2 of 0, so in the given initial conditions, Z inverse of Zi minus A whole inverse into Z into X of 0 plus B into U of Z. Z into X of 0 plus B into U of Z. But in the given, there is no initial condition in this in the problem. So formula is Z inverse of Zi minus A whole inverse into Z. Zi minus A whole inverse into Z. But in the given initial conditions in the problem, Zi minus A whole inverse into Z into X of 0 plus B into U of Z. Okay. So Zi minus A whole inverse. So the Z into X of 0 plus B into U of 0. So the X of 0 is already given. In the two initial conditions, x1 of 0 and x2 of 0, and the u of z is also given, u of k equal to 1. So the input u of k is 1. So first, calculating the Zi minus A whole inverse. First, Zi minus A. So in the given, Z matrix is 2 by 2 matrix. Z matrix is 2 by 2 matrix, 0, 1, minus 0.16 minus 1. It will be 2 by 2 matrix. So assuming the identity matrix also 2 by 2. What is the identity matrix of 2 by 2? 1, 0, 0, 1. So the matrix of identity in the A matrix is 2 by 2. So identity matrix also 2 by 2. So Z into I, Z0, 0 into Z. Okay. So Z, 0, 0, Z minus A. So Z minus 0, Z, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 0 minus of minus 0.16, Z minus of minus 1, Z plus 1. So calculating the Zi minus A whole inverse. So in the given A matrix is 2 by 2, it A, B, C, D matrix. So what is the inverse of A matrix? 1 by AD minus BC, D minus B minus C, and the A. So in the formula, Zi minus A whole inverse is equal to 1 by AD minus BC. So A, this is B, C, and the D. Z into Z plus 1 minus of minus 1 into 0.16. Z square plus Z plus 0.16. And the D and the minus of minus 1 is plus 1 and the minus of minus 0.16 and the Z is A. Z plus 1, 1 minus 0.16 and the Z. So first term Z plus 1 by Z square plus Z plus 0.16, find the roots. So its roots will be Z plus 0.8 into Z plus 0.2. There two roots, Z plus 0.8 into Z plus 0.2. So Z square plus Z plus 0.16 is Z plus 0.8 into Z plus 0.2. So first term is Z plus 1, 1 minus 0.16 and the Z. So next, what is the formula? Zi minus A whole inverse into Z into X of 0 plus B into U of Z. So first, z into x of 0, calculating the z into x of 0 plus b into u of z. So in the initial conditions is given, so x of 0 is equal to x1 of 0 and the x2 of 0. What is the values of initial conditions? Is given 1 and minus 1. 1 and minus 1. So z into 1, x of 0, 1 minus 1. And the u of z is given b, in the given B matrix is 1, 1, and the u of z is 1. So u of k is given 1. So it is apply the z transform. U of z is z by z minus 1. So మన ప్రాబ్లమ్ లో ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు, u of k equal to 1 అన్నాడు ఇన్పుట్. సో u of k is 1. So in the calculating u of z, so u of k is converted to u of z. 1 is z by z minus 1. So this is u of z. So z and minus z, z minus z. 1 into z by z minus 1, z by z minus 1. 1 into z by z minus 1, z by z minus 1. So z plus adding the first two terms, first term adding z plus z by z minus 1, second term minus z by z plus 1, z minus 1. Take LCMs and the calculating. So the first term z square by z minus 1, second term is z square minus z square plus 2z by z minus 1. So all of you clear or not? So calculating z in the formula is z inverse of zi minus a whole inverse into z into x of 0 plus b into u of z. So the given initial conditions will be there. What is the calculation of the state transition matrix? Z inverse of zi minus a whole inverse into z into x of 0 plus b into u of z. And the given not there in the initial conditions, the formula is z inverse of zi minus a whole inverse into z. So this is not using. So in the given initial conditions, so first calculating the zi minus a whole inverse, and after that z into x of 0 plus b into u of z. Z into x of 0 plus b into u of z. So z in the x of z is given the problem 1 minus 1. In the initial conditions 1 minus 1 plus b matrix is given 1, 1. U of z is given the problem. U of k is 1. Input u of k equal to 1 and ichad. So it is converted to u of z, z by z minus 1. So the multiplication of z into 1 minus 1 and the z by z minus 1, 1 minus 1. So adding the two columns, and the take LCM, this is the formula. And the next, calculating the state transition matrix phi of k is equal to x of k is equal to z inverse of zi minus a. This is zi minus a whole inverse. This is z into x of 0 plus b into u of z. z into x of 0 plus b into u of z. So calculating the zi minus a whole inverse, and next z into x of 0 plus b into u of z. Okay, so z inverse of the first, calculating the first row into first column. First row into first column. What is first row, first term? Z plus 1 by Z plus 0.2 into Z plus 0.8 into Z square by Z minus 1. And the 1 by term into second term. And the second row, first column. Second row, first term into Z square by Z minus 1. First row, second term into second column. The product of two blocks. After that simplification, so two terms. In the first term, z into z square plus 2 by z plus 0.2, z minus 1, z plus 0.8. This is the first term. The second term, z into z square plus 1.84 by z plus 0.2, z minus 1, z plus 0.8. So this is x1 of z, this is x2 of z. So calculating the first x1 of z, this is x1 of z, x1 of z by z. In this, z is sent to the left side. Calculating the partial fractions, calculate a and b and the c values. A value, b value and the c value. So z square plus 2 in the left side. So first z minus 1, a equal to 1, sorry, z is equal to 1, and the second z is equal to minus 0.2. Next, z is equal to minus 0.8. So this is calculation of z is equal to 1, z is equal to minus 0.2, put z is equal to minus 0.8. 3. So z value, substitute 3 values. So a value is, b value is 25 by 18. Z is equal to 1, substitute cheste b value 25 by 18. And the z is equal to minus 0.8. What is the c value? 22 by 9. Z is equal to minus 0.2. A value is minus 17 by 6. So this is the x1 of z by z. So in the inverse z transform of, so x1 of z is equal to a value, b value and the c value. Okay na? So apply z inverse of x1 of z is equal to x1 of k, and the z inverse of z by z minus a is equal to a power k. What is the formula of z inverse of z by z minus a is equal to z by z minus a is equal to a power k. So in the formula of z by z minus of minus 0.2, in the plus 2, 0.2 is minus of minus 0.2. So the a value is minus of 0.2. So minus 17 by 6 minus 0.2 whole power k, and the second minus of 1 power k, and the minus 0.8 minus 0.8 whole power k. And the same procedure to calculate the x2 of z is x2 of z, a value 3.4 by 6, b value 7 by 18, c value minus 17.8, 6 by 9. So same process. So this is the calculation of the y of k. Okay na? So this is